Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a health bar use GUI script like you see down here. So it will say health, and then it will display your health, like 100 out of 100 or whatever it is. And you can see it works and it's updating. This zombie game I'm playing here, this is a game that I'm working on. It has nothing to do with this video other than the health bar. So don't even pay attention to it. Also, this is I did a video on this game already, actually, showing you guys how it's going to be. Be sure to check that out. But if you guys are excited for this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Join the group and the Discord. And then 100 subscribers, I will be giving away 1,000 Robux. And you can buy group merch on Roblox if you want to support me. And before we get started, I just want to say that I forgot to say this in the video, but even if you update your max health, it will still always display that health. Oh, you can see it's still showing my max health there, and it will update my max health even though, yeah, so it works no matter what your health is. And yeah, see you in the video. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is add a screen GUI to start a GUI, and then you can go ahead and add a frame into it. And I'm just going to name this red, because this is going to be basically the background of the health bar. It's going to be all red. So first of all, we can actually set the size. You can set the offset of it to 0. Because if the offset wasn't 0, okay, wait, if you go back, the offset wasn't 0, you can see it's going to be different on all devices, so you're going to want to set it to 0, so that way it's the same on all devices. And just scale it out again. There we go. Oops. Now you can see it's in the same positioning for every device. So here's our health bar right here. We're going to set background color to red. Alright, and then we'll do background transparency 0, and then we'll add a border size pixel. Let's do like 7 maybe, and the color will be either black or green. No, I'll just keep it. Yeah, it'll be black. Alright, so there is our frame. Go ahead and move it over here, and inside of it, you're going to add another frame, and you can go ahead and set the size of it to. Alright, so we're going to do size. Go ahead and set this in. Actually, you can just do 1, 0, 1, 0 for the scale, and there we go. And I'll set the color to this one to green. Alright. And actually, I want it to be a lighter color. Let's do lime. There you go. And then you can also go ahead and add 2 text labels here. This text label, I'll set the size again to the scale to 0, 0. This will cover up most of the GUI, like this. And actually, go back to the background here, and make it slimmer like that. Alright, so this text label, set the background transparency to 1, the text to health, that's all caps, scale it, text stroke color to what, yeah, let's do white, and then text stroke transparency to 0, and then we'll set the font to Gotham Black. Where is it? There it is. And then we can duplicate. Oh, we can just rename this to health, and then we can duplicate this, and this will just name health. Text. This will be named to health number. And then you can just move it over here. This is going to be our actual number, where it's going to say how much health we actually have. Alright, so we can go ahead and add in a script into this frame right here. I'm going to add a local script actually, so that way it's only doing it for one person. We're going to create our first variables, which will be local player equals game dot players dot local player, and you can do local character equals you'll do player dot character or player dot character added colon wait. Alright, and then we're going to do local humanoid is equal to character colon wait for child and do humanoid, and then we'll do local health num will be equal to script dot parent dot parent dot health num. Alright, they're going to do humanoid dot health change colon connect function, and then we'll call this function let's call it health num. Oh no, we'll actually call this, let's just do size, because we're going to be resizing the area, the frame. So after that we can do health num dot text. That's not, oh no, not health num dot text. We're going to do script dot parent dot parent. Oh no, dot another parent. Okay, dot size equals to udem2 dot new, and then we're going to do damage, not damage. We're going to do what's the name of the function? Oh yeah, size slash humanoid dot max health, and then comma 0 comma 1 comma 0. That is not a 1. Alright, so then after that we're going to leave the function here, and I'm going to create another one. We're going to do the local function, and we'll name this one number. And this was actually going to affect the health num dot text. So health num dot text will be equal to humanoid dot health, and then dot dot, and we're going to do slash, and then so it's going to be basically saying the health out of, and then the max health. So humanoid dot max health. So now we're just going to need to get to these functions. So we're going to do number, and then we're going to do humanoid dot health change colon connect and function number, and we don't even need, oh no, not connect function number, we'll just do connect number. Alright, we don't need these right here. There we go. So now if we go back here, yeah, we did this right. I'm going to add in a zombie, and I'll just use this one right here. Alright, so this will show you guys that the health actually will go down. Then I'll just go and add in a model, and a spawn. Go to model, add in the spawn. That's what I meant to say. And if we press play now, You can see our health up here, 100 out of 100. And if the zombie touches me, the health doesn't change. Alright, so it's supposed to change the health to say like blah blah blah, like let's just say 17 out of 20 and 17 out of 100, but it's not working. Why is that? Humanoid.health / humanoid.maxhealth. It should be working. Then it is connecting to function, I think. Yeah, this works, so it's just something with this. Alright guys, I figured it out. It's just because I forgot to add a second N to connect. Alright, so now if I play here, so loads, you can see the zombie should spawn. There we go. And there you go, you can see, oh gosh, that's not supposed to happen. Alright, so the reason why that is happening though is because if you go to your player here, you see they have a script that comes with your character called health, and this is what's causing that problem there. So what you're going to do to fix it is you can just go ahead and add in star character scripts a script, and you're just going to name this health. You need to name this exactly health and spell it like I spell it if you do not want that to happen, because when you do this, it will actually replace the health script from before with this script. So you're going to do well, which one, or however you want to take for the regen, do. Just going to do script.parent.humanoid.health is equal to script.parent.humanoid.health, and then plus however much health you want it to regenerate per second, so it's going to be 1. And now when I spawn in, if you go into the workspace here, you can see me, and here's the health script, and you can see it is now my new script that I put in instead of the other script. And I accidentally put a tab there, but it still works. Alright, and there you go guys, you can see it works, and yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you never miss an upload. If you, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Also join the group and the Discord. Bye.